All right, let's analyze a trade together that I took last Tuesday. And I always trade the London session and definitely have a closer watch because there are loads of golden nuggets in this trade breakdown. So what we can see is with the Asian range and closely we're coming into the London session. And there are a few things that are very interesting to take account of. First, we have a bit more of a higher time frame resistance zone. Price was stepping down and price then tapped into zone. And as you can see on the 15 minutes, it's getting a bit more interesting because we have taken out the Asian high. This is where loads of sellers already come and enter the market because it's a strategy on its own. Then we broke bearish market structure on the 15 minutes. And I was still waiting to entering on a trade because there also, and it was on the 5 minutes more visible, there was a support area buildup. And imagine how many buyers enter from these areas, right? So we need to wait for them to be taken out in order to counter trade all those sellers, right? It makes it even more beautiful. It was a trend line buildup. Every third touch of a trend line is where loads of other traders come into the market, so definitely something we want to target. All right, then if we let price play, you can see that it just went straight up. It doesn't matter too much. You can see that the support was taken out, bearish market structure was confirmed. So even more sellers enter around these areas because they can see the second break of structure happening over here. Let me make that clear for you guys. Another break of structure. And this is the way you should approach the market. It's all about liquidity. Yes, market structure is important, but you can see that market structure is turning bearish. Give a confirmation, turns bearish again, and on the sweep just entering, and well, this trade just completely rocketed off for a 1-2 risk to reward, and I'm out. So very clean trade if you ask me. All my setups looks pretty similar. It's a very easy way to trade. 9 pips stop loss or 10 something, I don't know. Around 10 pips stop loss gives me loads of room to breathe, trial for mistakes, for errors, whatever you want to name it. But price, just played out perfectly. And of course, it's not always like this. We have loads of moments where price just takes me out. I have an average win rate between 55-60%. So yeah, the majority of trades I win, but definitely there are some losers as well. Clean trade if you ask me. On to the next one. Cheers.